Hey friends, hanging out in the garage today, and I just finished up what was supposed to be a temporary surf rack to hold all of my river surfboards here in Colorado. And I wanted to kind of share the project with you because it cost me bare bones minimum, like 10 bucks, and it's actually fairly functional. So in this video, I'm going to quickly show you what I used as materials and what ended up may being a little bit more of a permanent experience here in the garage to hold the river boards. So I had this little corner of the garage out here where I just kind of stacked my surfboards. Really didn't like that. They were just hard to kind of maneuver and get around. I was worried about stuff falling and dinging and basically having the fins kind of cutting into the various boards as they leaned up against each other. So I just wanted to create some separation. Obviously, there's a lot of do-it-yourself plans out there. I thought I'd share this one again because it only cost me roughly 10 bucks. So basically what I used is a just 2x4 block that I had as scrap, and I tacked it here to the wall using the studs in the garage wall. I then hung up some of these hang-alls that you can find at Harbor Freight or on Amazon. I'll put some links in the description box below. Now, these hang-alls basically come out. You can see what the ends look like. I've got my little balance board that I have up here. I've also used these hooks over here for my bike helmets and these snowshoes. They're just great to have all around to hang stuff, but they actually work pretty good as a lean-to to separate things as well. You can see that we have all of these sticking out, and they just create a natural separation to pair different boards together and kind of keep them nice and even and separated so that my fins aren't crushing into each other. I then put an old piece of carpet down here on the bottom of the floor on the cement, and that's what the boards are resting on. Now underneath the hang-alls, you can see it's this, kind of metal stuff here. And so to add just a little extra protection, this is like pipe insulation or copper insulation that you can find, in your home improvement stores and those kind of things. Basically just cut that to length. That slides right over and just creates, again, an extra little bit of protection. I then just leaned all the boards up basically by height. You can see a few of my older, thicker boards have some duct tape on there. And it just created a nice little rack here. As you can see, I've got 1, 2, 3 of those hang-alls. And again, it allowed me to put up all 6 of these specific boards. I could probably add some more in the future as I do have, again, a little bit of spacing. One of the other things I did add is some little eyelets. I basically screwed those in, took a bungee cord here, there's another one on the other side, and basically connected those two together. Now, as you can see, that now offers a little bit of protection from these boards falling out and hitting the cement floor over here on the other side of the garage. So is this perfect? No. It works, and it only cost me roughly 10 bucks in materials. And again, some of the stuff I even had kind of laying around. So hopefully I give somebody an idea of how to make a really cheap surfboard rack. Again, was a super simple project. Took me like 10 minutes to put together. Meant to be a temporary experience, but who knows? It may end up lasting a little bit longer than I anticipate. So there you go. What do you guys think? What could I have done better, easier, cheaper? Is there a way to modify this to make sure it actually works like it should? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again on the next one.